All right, so let's take a look at reciprocals. So we have three examples here that we will take a look at. Let me get my pen ready. Okay, 3/5. So reciprocals, basic formula is A, if this some number is A over B. The reciprocal is B over A. Okay, so in this case, like 3/5, 3 would be A, 5 would be B. 3/5, we flip it, 5/3. Right? 5/3 is the reciprocal of 3/5. Okay, 2, that could be a little trickier, right? Just remembering that 2 and 2 over 1 are the same thing, right? So the reciprocal would be 1/2, right? 1 was on the bottom, now it's on the top. 2 was on the top, now it's on the bottom. And 1/3, similar kind of thing. 1/3 would equal 3 over 1. Again, if you just have a 1 down there in the denominator, the bottom part of that fraction, then that's just the same as 3. Okay, and let's talk about one other little part. So where would reciprocals show up, right? So we just have a video and a section in the app just on reciprocals, because what will happen is you will have to, at some point in your exam, be able to divide fractions, right? You'll get something like that. 1/3 equal divided by 1/2. What is that? And then you need to know the rule when you're dividing fractions is that you take the second fraction and flip it or turn it into its reciprocal and then multiply. That's how you divide fractions. Right? So that's just a thing you got to memorize. So 1/3 that 2 over 1, right? And then just multiply them out. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. There's our answer, 2/3. And so there is a whole other video on dividing fractions and how to divide and add and multiply and subtract fractions. And that's a whole other section in the app. But we just want to show you why you have to know how to do reciprocals, right? So right now we're just focusing on being able to convert fractions into their reciprocal. And once you're good with that, you're good to go on the section.